everyone, my name's Mimi and welcome back to my channel where I talk all things beauty, fashion, style, DIY, and occasionally I will vlog. Today, I am going to be trying to create a look with the About Face Liquid Matte Eyeliner in the shade is this? I think it's the shade New Karma. You can't see. Yeah, the purple shade, New Karma. This one right here. This is a beautiful, beautiful color. The problem is, the second I put it on my eyes and blend it in, it manages to disappear. So that's the shade right there. It's really pretty. But I have decided that since I bought this, I am going to use this and I'm going to try to come up with something that looks good using my favorite eyeshadow palette of all time, the C Color Festival palette right here. And let's see what I come up with. This is going to be interesting. I'm actually going to start with my eyes first and then finish the rest of my makeup. So, we got my trusty, dusty magnifying mirror so I can see what I'm doing, and more eyeshadow brushes than I could possibly need. So, let's get going with this. I am going to lay this down as a base and blend it out first. Oh, I can't see. I'm going to do one eye, and if I don't like the outcome, I'm going to wash it off and start again. One thing that I don't like about these shadows is because my eye is hooded. If I put on a thick coat like that and just try to work with it this way without blending, then it creases so badly and I end up with bald patches. So if you have hooded eyes, you need to be aware that that will happen with this product, because my eye is very hooded. I have a very thick hood on my eye. Even though I have lid space, it doesn't cover my entire lid. It is deep. So, okay. Alright, so got that down and blended. And I like very uncomplicated eye looks. So I'm gonna leave this alone for now, and I think, because I have a plan on using this blue eyeliner with this, I think that would look cool. I am going to do a bit of a halo with this blue right there. It's like a shifty blue. The blue has some red and purple in it. It's really pretty. I'm going to put that in the center of my eye. Oh, I keep using this mirror. I don't need that mirror. This one. What do you think? Ooh, that looks pretty on camera. Let me see. It actually looks really good. Okay, this is beginning to work out more than I thought it would. Now I'm going to use my blue eyeliner and I'm going to do a wing. Yeah, let's do this. And then I'll decide if I want to put some color on my lower lash line once I do the rest to put on my foundation and concealer. Wow. Oh my gosh. I love that color combination. It's so pretty. Oh, I'm loving it. Okay, I am going to put on my base makeup and finish the other eye, and I will be right back. Okay, I'm back and I've finished my base makeup and blush and eyebrows, and I will have all the makeup that I used everything that I've used on my face in the description box below. But now I'm going to show you how I'm going to finish up the lower lash line, because I think in this case the lower lash line needs a little something. I am going to mimic what I did on the top with the colors, only I'm going to use a tinier brush. I'm going to use this tiny little brush right here, and I'm going to put some of this purple and across the lower lash line on the inner and outer corner of both eyes. Like that. And then I'm going to use another little brush, this one, and I'm going to use just the tip, just on the tip of this brush, place some of that blue, and I'm going to put it and I'm going to repeat this on the other eye. And finish off with mascara. And for mascara, I'm going to be applying this Maybelline Sky High. Love this mascara, it's so good. And last, lips. I'm going to be using the Double Team lip gloss in pink. These eyes are so bold, it needs a gentle lip for balance. That's it. That's my look. I absolutely love how this turned out. It's so pretty. The eyes are just, they're so wild, but they actually look bizarrely really pretty. With this look, I'm kind of shocked that I pulled this off, I think. What do you think? Leave a comment below if you like this look, and if you want to see me play around with more colors behind my eyeglasses. As always, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you didn't, give me a thumbs down and tell me how I can improve. My name is Mimi, and I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.